I am so done with Gorilla Tag right now. I was playing Gorilla Tag in a competitive lobby, and some kid said that I was hacking because I was Lucio running. Like, what? You're literally in a competitive lobby. It's called skill. So everyone went to the board, and guess what they did? Guess what they reported me! Like, what kind of jelly bean, Mr. Clean, Mr. Bean, I gotta pee, Bruce Lee, are you to not know how to Lucio run in a competitive lobby? And guess what happened next? I got banned for 400 hours for cheating! First of all, I wasn't on my Steam VR account, so I couldn't have been modding. And second of all, I am still banned on my Steam VR account for a couple hours. And look at this. I'm not gonna wait for 16 days of being banned for something that I didn't do!